Hello everyone, this is Catastrophic, and today we're going to learn how to make a very fun toy that you'll find out by watching the video. So you'll need a bottle cap, like the wine kind, those like corks, some string, you can choose any color, 2 to 4 nails, small nails, that are about as long as the first knuckle on your finger. Don't go into the video. And yeah, you will also need some scissors, and then get the string, tie it around the cork, and make it just a simple double knot on the other side, you know, the one that everyone should know. Okay, just doing the second knot. Okay, tighten it, make sure it's very tight first. Then get a nail and push it through the string into the cork. And if this hurts your finger, then you can use a hammer too. So just push it in like that. And get the other nail. Do the same thing. Wait, here I'll just show you. This is what you should be doing with all the nails. Push it in hard. Yeah, exactly like that. There. You can see I put 2 nails in so far. The first one you should put it through the knot. Then get the string and cut it at about arm's length. Yeah, snip it. There you have your string. And that's the end. So that the end is where you're going to hold it. And then get your other nail. Just put it on the side where it hasn't been put in yet. Wait, not yeah. It might be hard to push it in. Might slip a few times, but you should try. Okay. Have we got it in yet? Okay, don't take it out of the camera. Okay, push it in. Push, push, push. Yeah, okay. So you just want to push that in. Try to push it all the way in. There. And at the end you can squish it against the ground so it goes in well. Then do the last side. It's like a square. Just pretend it's a square and do a nail on each side. In the center of each side. And push it in with your thumb. It should be pretty easy, so you wouldn't need a hammer, but you can use it if it's too hard. And then with the extra string, just cut that and leave like a 1/4 centimeter there, just that little bit. Okay, there's your string. That's the part where you're going to hold it. And please subscribe. Let's try it out. Okay.